Hello, good morning. Today we are going to start the actual syllabus of 12th standard with the first topic, differentiation. And we are very much familiar with this concept in the 11th standard by the same name, differentiation. In the 12th standard, the first article is derivatives of composite function. Derivatives of composite function. In the 11th standard, we learned number of functions in the topic function, but this is a new function in the 12th, that is composite function. What is the exact meaning of composite function? Function of another function. Function of another function. This is a simple definition of composite function, that is function of another function. For example, what? This is sin x. Sin x is a trigonometric function. Instead of x, we can replace any term. For example, sin of log x. So this becomes composite function. Composite function means what? Function of another function. This is a function of variable, function of x. This is standard trigonometric function. And sin of log x, this is a function of another function. Trigonometric function, logarithmic function, combination of two functions. That's why this is called as what? Composite function. One more example. Root x, this is a standard function. If root of log x, this is a composite function. One more example. Square root of sin of tan of e raised to x. So here are four functions. First is square root, second is sin, third is tan, fourth is e raised to x. It is a combination of four functions. So simple concept of composite function is what? The function of another function. The combination of two or more functions. That is called as what? Composite function. And here one more example. This is a e raised to 3x square plus 1. This is a composite function. अच्छा इसका स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन कौन सा है? e raised to एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन. बट एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन के पावर में वेरिएबल है. यहाँ पर इक्वेशन है, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है 3x square plus 1. That's why this is a standard exponential function and this is a standard but composite exponential function. This is log x, logarithmic function, but it is a standard logarithmic function. Only log x, log of variable. Here log of tan of 3x plus 1. This is a composite function. Log of tan of 3x plus 1. This is a composite function. Now we are very much familiar with the composite function. Now we have to find the derivative of such function, derivatives of composite function. For that, we first recall the derivatives of standard function, then their differentiation of composite function. So we make a column for that. Here is function. Their derivatives. Second, function. Their derivatives. Their derivatives. Comparative study. First is d by dx of x raised to n. These functions are standard functions. The formula is n into x raised to n minus 1. Same composite for composite function. d by dx of f of x raised to n. Replace what here? Here is variable and here is what? Function. That's why this is called as the composite function and this is called as what? Standard function. So n into x raised to n minus 1, this is the formula. Here is same formula. n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into the derivative of f of x is what? F dash of x. This is the first formula of derivatives of composite function. For this first formula, we will take 5 to 6 examples. Listen. First, d by dx of sin raised to 7x. So sin raised to 7x का डेरिवेटिव cos raised to 7x नहीं होता, उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 7 times sin raised to 6x into what is the d by dx of sin x? Cos x. D by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. Second example, d by dx of log x raised to 5. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आएगा? 5 times log x raised to 5 minus 1 is 4 into derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Third example, d by dx of 3x square minus 2x plus 1 raised to 9. It is not a standard function, it is a composite function because quadratic equation का power क्या है? 9. If x raised to 9 रहता तो that is called as a standard function. But here it is not x, it is equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 raised to what? 9. So इसका differentiation क्या आएगा? 9 into 3x square minus 2x plus 1 raised to 8 into differentiation of this particular 3x square minus 2x plus 1. 3x square का क्या आएगा? 6x. How? 3 into 2 6x minus the derivative of 2x is 2 plus 1 का 0 negligible 6x minus 2. This is the actual differential. But here standard function. Fourth example, d by dx of x raised to 8 रहा, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आया था? 8 into x raised to 7. But same process into derivative of x with respect to x is what? 1. But हम ये कभी लिखते नहीं, into 1 नहीं. x raised to 8 का क्या आएगा? 8 into x raised to 7 into 1. Same. sin raised to 7 का क्या? 7 into sin raised to 6x into cos x into 1 by x into 6x minus 2. This into is what? Derivative of this particular sin x, derivative of this particular log x, derivative of particular this 3x square minus 2x plus 1. This is our first formula. Now second formula, d by dx of constant term. स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन में भी 0 है, कंपोजिट फंक्शन में कांस्टेंट टर्म वही रहेगा, k is equal to 0. Not change, no any change in that. But here in the third, root x. The derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. जब तक आप एक कंपैरेटिव स्टडी नहीं करेंगे तब तक आपको कंपोजिट फंक्शन समझ में नहीं आएगा. स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन को कंपेयर करो कंपोजिट फंक्शन से, कंपोजिट फंक्शन को कंपेयर करो स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन. ये जहां पर x है वो दैट इज स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन 1 by 2 root x. सेम इन द कंपोजिट फंक्शन x की जगह पे क्या रहेगा? f of x. d by dx of root f of x. फॉर्मूला तो वही रहेगा 1/2 root f of x. 1/2 root f of x into f dash of x. Dash means derivative. F dash of x, this is the derivative of f of x. F dash of x, derivative of what? F of x. Now we will take some example on this second formula, that is root f of x. Root f of x, root sin x. Root 4s to x. Under 7 square x minus 1. 7 square x minus 1. Root x का 1 by 2 root x. Root f of x का 1 by 2 f of x into f dash of x. So listen here. What is the derivative of root sin x? 1/2 root sin x into derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. 4s to x, root में 4s to x है 1/2 root 4s to x into what is the derivative of 4s to x? It is exponential function 4s to x into log. डिफरेंशिएशन टॉपिक में पहला, जब तक आपको कंपोजिट फंक्शन समझ में नहीं आएगा तब तक आगे इंप्लिसिट फंक्शन, लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन, डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, हायर डिफरेंशिएशन ये कभी समझ में नहीं आएगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट आर्टिकल. ये जब तक आएगा, जब तक नहीं आएगा तब तक आएगा समझ में नहीं आएगा. सो d by dx of root 7x square minus 1, same process 1/2 root 7x square minus 1 into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर टर्म, रूट में जो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आएगा? 14x. 14x 7 to the 14x. एक्चुअल फॉर्मूला ये डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट x. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट x इज 1 by 2 root x into x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है? into 1. जैसे sin x का क्या? cos x. 4s to x का डेरिवेटिव 4x to x into log 4. 7x square minus 1 का ले लो 14x minus 0. So this is the second formula, third formula, derivative of square root of x. Number 4, d by dx of 1 upon x. It is minus 1 upon 2x square. Standard function. In the composite function d by dx of 1 upon f of x, फॉर्मूला तो सेम रहेगा, माइनस 1 upon f of x whole square into derivative of f of x is what? f dash of x. और इसके दो तीन एग्जांपल लेंगे, 1 upon root f of 1 upon f of x. This is d by dx is nothing but derivative with respect to x. d by dx of 1 upon log x. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा माइनस 1 upon log x whole square. Then what is the derivative of log x into 1 by x? Second example on the same, d by dx of 1 upon 4x minus 1. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा माइनस 1 upon 4x minus 1 whole square into what is the derivative of 4x minus 1? Only 4. Because x का डिफरेंशिएशन with respect to x 1 रहता है, derivative of constant term 0 रहता है, 4 minus 0 we write just 4. Number third, d by dx of 1 upon sin x minus cos x. We'll take rule here, 1 upon sin x minus cos x. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा माइनस 1 upon sin x minus cos x whole square into what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. Derivative of cos x minus plus sign. This is the derivative of sin x minus cos x. Sin x का cos x का minus into minus plus sign. One more example. d by dx of 1 upon x into e raised to x. Product of two different functions in the denominator. But formula तो वही रहेगा. Minus 1 upon x into e raised to x whole square into, it's a u into v, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. X into derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of x is 1. Now we can simplify this x into e raised to x whole square into taking e raised to x common in bracket x plus 1. So this is the fourth formula. That is the d by dx of 1 upon f of x. Compare करो standard function से, you will get definitely clear idea about the derivatives of composite function. अब इसके बाद after algebraic function, we will take trigonometric function. अब इसके आगे हम दो एग्जांपल लेंगे. So for better understanding, so now derivatives of trigonometric function, sin x, cos x, tan x. This is the cot x. Number 5, d by dx of sec x. Number 6, d by dx of cosec x. Compare with the composite function of trigonometry. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of tan x sec square x. Cot x minus cosec square x. Sec x into tan x. And cosec x is what? Minus cosec x into cot x. Right? This is all about the derivatives of trigonometric function. जहाँ पर x है, so that is standard function. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x. अब इसका composite function same d by dx of sin of f of x. x की जगह पर function means composite function. d by dx of cos of f of x. d by dx of tan of f of x. d by dx of cot of f of x. d by dx of sec of f of x. सिर्फ चेंज क्या है, x की जगह पर क्या है f of x. वेरिएबल की जगह पर फंक्शन, तो सिंपल कॉल्ड कंपोजिट फंक्शन। सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है, अगर वेरिएबल रहा सिंपल तो स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन, अगर वेरिएबल की जगह पर फंक्शन आ गया तो कंपोजिट फंक्शन। नाउ साइन का डेरिवेटिव कॉस है, साइन ऑफ x का भी वही सेम रहेगा, कॉस ऑफ x। सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करो, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f ऑफ x इज व्हाट, f डैश ऑफ x। इसके एक एग्जांपल लेंगे, सफिशिएंट वन एग्जांपल फॉर ईच। d by dx ऑफ sin ऑफ 4x plus 3, x की जगह क्या है डजंट मैटर, sin का डेरिवेटिव क्या है cos, cos 4x plus 3 into what is the derivative of 4x plus 3 into 4. This is the example of first derivatives of composite function of trigonometry. What is the derivative of cos f of x minus sin f of x into f dash of x into f dash of x, that is the derivative of f of x. So example of cos, so take an example लेंगे, d by dx of cos of log x, x की जगह पर log x है, logarithmic function, but the derivative of cos is what, minus sin of log x into what is the derivative of log x, 1 by x. Next tan f of x, derivative of tan is what, sec square f of x into f dash of x. उसके सेम लाइन पर यहाँ पर स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन tan x का डेरिवेटिव sec square x, tan f of x का sec square f of x into f dash of x. Now उसका एक एग्जांपल नंबर 3, d by dx of tan of 3 raised to x, tan के साथ एक्सपोनेंशियल टर्म, कंपोजिट फंक्शन। ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का कंपोजिशन किसके साथ है, एक्सपोनेंशियल, एक्सपोनेंट के साथ है, इट इज कंपोजिट फंक्शन। So what will be the derivative of tan of 3 raised to x, sec square of 3 raised to x into derivative of 3 raised to x is what, 3 raised to x into log 3. The derivative of 3 raised to x is what, 3 raised to x into log 3. Cot f of x minus cosec square f of x into f dash of x. Dash means derivative of f of x. अब इसका एक एग्जांपल नंबर 4, d by dx of cot of sin x. ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का कंपोजिशन अनदर ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के साथ, cot sin x, cot of sin x का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा, तो ब्रैकेट में क्या है डजंट मैटर, व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot, इट इज माइनस cosec स्क्वायर, माइनस cosec स्क्वायर ऑफ sin x. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x इनटू cos. हर बार डिफरेंट कंपोजिशन होना जरूरी नहीं, सेम फंक्शन का सेम के साथ भी कंपोजिशन हो सकता है, जैसे लाइक दिस नंबर 4 cot of sin x, ये भी ट्रिगोनोमेट्री है, ये भी ट्रिगोनोमेट्री है, उसका कंपोजिशन cot of sin ब्रैकेट में क्या है डजंट मैटर, cot का डेरिवेटिव माइनस cosec स्क्वायर ऑफ sin x, sin x स्क्वायर cos x. नंबर 6 आया तो हुआ था sec x का डेरिवेटिव sec x into tan x, अब x की जगह पे क्या है f of x, we have to find the d by dx of sec of f of x. So same formula, it is sec f of x into tan f of x into what is the derivative of f of x, f dash of x. अब इसका एक एग्जांपल लेंगे हम of sec f of x. यहाँ पर नंबर 5th formula on 5th example on 5th formula, that is d by dx of, सिंपल एग्जांपल लेंगे d by dx of sec of x square, यहाँ पर x है, यहाँ पर x square, that's why it is composite function. तो sec of x square का डेरिवेटिव क्या रहेगा, sec of x square into tan of x square into what is the derivative of x square, 2x. The derivative of x square is 2x. ये हो गया sec of f of x. Now final formula of derivatives of composite function of trigonometry, that is cosec f of x, that is cosec f of x minus cosec f of x into cot f of x into f dash of x into what, f dash of x. अब इसका एक एग्जांपल, see the first, is the 6th number example on the 6th formula, d by dx of cosec of tan x. cosec of tan x का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? cosec f of x का क्या है? माइनस cosec f of x into cot f of x into f dash of x. It becomes minus cosec of tan x into cot of tan x into what is the derivative of tan x? It is sec square x. सिर्फ इतना ही लिखना है into sec square x. बाकी सेम फॉर्मूला f of x की जगह पर tan x है, cosec tan x minus cosec tan x into cot tan x into sec square x. This into sec square x is derivative of what? Tan x. This is the trigonometry for derivatives of composite function. But कौन सा function है? Trigonometric function. After that, only 4 formulas are remaining. That is algebra, that is exponential and logarithmic formula. So see here, number it is the formula number 11, d by dx of e raised to x. 12, d by dx of a raised to x. So what is the derivative of e raised to x? Is e raised to x. What is the derivative of a raised to x? A raised to x into log. Number 13 and 14, these are the derivatives of logarithmic function. First logarithmic function is natural logarithmic function, and second is the common logarithmic function. Instead of a, write a, log x to the base a. So derivatives of log x is 1 by x, and derivatives of log x to the base a is 1 by x into log. ये होगा derivatives of standard function. ये हमने 11th standard में हुआ है. It's a composite function. Same number 11, d by dx of e raised to f of x. Number 12, d by dx of a raised to f of x. Number 13, d by dx of log of f of x. And number 14, d by dx of log of f of x to the base a. अब definitely सबको आएगा. e raised to f of x, a raised to f of x, log of f of x and log of f of x to the base a. So what will be the derivative of this? e raised to f of x into f dash of x. इसका एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट, d by dx of e raised to tan x. x की जगह पर क्या है? tan x. So what will be the derivative of e raised to tan x? e raised to tan x into what? Sec square x. This sec square x is a derivative of what? Tan x. Now a to the power f of x, a to the power f of x into log a into f dash of x. सिर्फ इसको इसके साथ कंपेयर करो. कंपोजिट फंक्शन को स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन के साथ कंपेयर किया तो डेफिनेटली विल गेट द मोर बेनिफिट. नंबर नेक्स्ट, दैट विल बी द d by dx of a to the power log x. a to the power log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? a to the power log x into log a into 1 by x. यहाँ पर f x है, x की जगह पर क्या है? log x. a to the power log x into log a into 1 by x. ये 1 by x किसका डेरिवेटिव है? पावर का log x. Now derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log f of x is 1 by f of x into what? f dash of x. Same, we will take example on log of f of x, d by dx of log of 4x plus 7. Log of 4x plus 7 means what? 1 upon 4x plus 7 into 4x का 4, 7 का 0. So we will write only 4 upon 4x plus 7. अब ये कंपोजिट फंक्शन हमने सिर्फ दो ही लिया है. cosec of tan e raised to tan a raised to log x log of 4x plus 7. बट जब हम एग्जांपल लेंगे तो 2 3 4 5 6 फंक्शन तक उसका कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा. दैट इज द एक्चुअल डिफरेंशिएशन. नाउ वी हैव log of f of x to the base a. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन 1 by f of x into log a into f dash of x. ये फॉर्मूला log x to the base a का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 1 by x into log a. x की जगह पर क्या है? सिर्फ f of x. 1 by f of x into log a. अगर बेस 10 रहा तो into क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर? 10 लिखेंगे. यहाँ पर बेस अगर a की जगह पर 7 रहा तो अब यहाँ पर क्या लेंगे, इनटू लॉग 7 इनटू f dash of x। अब इसका एग्जांपल, दिस विल बी द लास्ट फॉर्मूला ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन। log of x square plus 2 to the base 8। अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा 1 अपॉन x square plus 2 into log 8 into, अब ये into क्या आएगा, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट, x square डिवाइड क्या आएगा 2x plus 0, दिस विल बी द डेरिवेटिव। ये स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन, ये तो 11 स्टैंडर्ड में हुआ है, उसका कंपोजिट फंक्शन और हर एक कंपोजिट फंक्शन का एक एक एग्जांपल। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में we will take the examples on the derivatives of composite functions. So thank you very much.